In the previous class we have learned the formulas for logarithm. There are total so many formulas, up to 10 formulas, right? Okay, the first formula was log of 1 equals to 0 for any base. For any, with respect to any base, log of 1 equals to 0. Log of a with respect to base a equals to 1. Next, log of multiple formula, mn equals to log m plus log of n. Next, log of m by n equals to log of m minus log of n, divisible formula item. Next, log of m to the power n. Now whenever the value of the logarithm value is written in the form power, then the power will be taken out in the front of the logarithm. So n log m. Next, change of base, log of a of m equals to log of bm into log of a b. This is the change of base. Here the base is about a, here the base is about b. Okay, now for changing the base a to b, the logarithm is multiplied by this quantity, log of a, log of b with respect to base a. Next, let's say after using this formula change of base, we get the two corollary, log of am equals to log m by log a with respect to any base, and log of a of b equals to 1 by log of b a. Okay, and also there is a formula a to the power n of b equals to 1 by n log of a of b. So these are the formulas for the logarithm. Today we will learn from some example, discuss about some examples, okay, using these formulas. First example, find the value of 5 root 5 of 125. So how do you get these values? How do you get this value of log of 125 with respect to base 5 root 5? Okay, first here we can write in these values 125 and 5 root 5 some power of 5, right? Let's see, 5 root 5 equals to 5 to the power into 5 to the power half. This is 5 to the power 1, and root 5 equals to 5 to the power half. So as the base is same, so power will be added. 5 root 5, this is 5 to the power 3 by 2. Okay, and 125 we know that 5 cube, right? So log of 5 root 5 125 with respect to 5 root 5 equals to, we can write 5 to the power 3 by 2, and this is 5 cube. Now this is n, this is m. In the previous class we have learned a formula. If there is a power in the base, so this will be taken out and this is also taken out. Okay, so for these 3, here will be 3, and for this 3 by 2, this will be 1 by 3 by 2, and the remain log 5 and this is also 5, right? Now calculating this, we get 2, and we know the log of a with respect to base a, same base 1, so this is equals to 2. Okay, next I have set an example 2, which is here is given that log base 10, log 2 with respect to base 10 equals to 0.3010, and this is also given log base 10, log 3 base 10, this is also 0.4771. Okay, so we have to find the values of log of 0.405 whole to the power 3/2. Okay, so this total number, we have to find this total number calculating this number. Here log 2 and log 3 is given, so we have to calculate this in terms of 2 and 3. So you can put these values, log 10, log 2 with respect to base 10, and log 3 with respect to base 10. First, the power term will be taken out in the front. The log of, and 0.405 equals to 405 by 1000, right? So we get 3/2 log of 405 minus log of 1000. Here obviously base is 10 given. Okay, and this is also m by n form, so log m minus log n equals to 3/2 log 10. Now 405 can be written as 5 into 81 minus log 10. 1000 can be written as 10 cube. Okay, so 3/2, this is m into n, so log 10 5 plus log 10 out of 81, and this is minus 3 log 10 with respect to base 10. Okay, now as this 5 with respect to 10, log 5 with respect to 10, this term is not given. Now 2 and 3 are given, so this will have to represent it by log 2 or log 3. Now, so that we do this as 5 into 2 divided by 2. Okay, this can be written as 5 into 2 divided by 2, that means 10/2. 5 can be written as 10/2 plus log 10 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4 minus 3 into log 10 with respect to base 10, which is 1. Okay, and 3/2, this is m by n form also, so log 10 base 10 minus log 10 with respect to base 2 plus 4 log 3 with respect to base 10 minus 3. Okay, so ultimately we get 3/2. Now first is log 10 with respect to base 10, which is 1, minus log 10 base 2 plus 4 log 3 with respect to base 10 minus 3. Now we know the value of this term is 0.3010, and this term also we know that 0.4771 minus 3. After calculating this, we will get minus 0.5889. Okay, next example. Here given as log x by y minus z equals to log y by z minus x log z by x minus y. This is given. Now we have to prove that x y z equals to 1. We have to prove that x y z equals to 1. So this is given. Now we can write it as equals to r, say r, then log x will be, now here base is arbitrary. Now as the base is not given, so we can take the base is 10. We can take as the base is 10, okay, for common logarithm. So log x equals to r into y minus z, log y equals to r into z minus x, log z equals to r into x minus y. Okay, so log x plus log y plus log z equals to, and this all will be sum of, and r is common, taken out r as common, we get y minus z plus z minus x plus x minus y. So all is cancelled out, and this is log of m plus log of n plus log of o. So all are plus form, in the plus form. So taking out using the formula, we get log of x y z equals to r into 0. So log of x y z equals to 0 equals to, we can write as log 1. So based on there is no need for base as the base is given also. So we can write log of 1. We know that log 1 is 0. So x y z equals to 1. Okay. Next question is, if log of x with respect to base p equals to a log of base q with respect to base x, log of q x with respect to base q equals to b, then prove that log of pq of x, log of x with respect to base pq equals to ba by a plus b. Okay, so this is given log of p of log of x with respect to base p equals to a. Now using the formula, if we take as 1 by, then base and value will be interchanged. So log of p with respect to base x equals to a. This gives log of x, log of p with respect to x equals to 1 by a. In similar way, we can write it as, write this log of x with respect to base q equals to b implies log of q with respect to base x equals to 1 by b. Okay, now we need to find the value of log of x with respect to base q, which can be written as 1 by log of pq with respect to base x. Now using the formula, log of x, log of p with respect to base x plus log of q with respect to base x. Now this is given 1 by a and this is given 1 by b. So 1 by a plus 1 by b equals to 1 by, taking LCM, we get 1 by ab, a plus b by ab, and this term will be here we get AB by A plus B. Okay, hence proved. Okay, now I have given some homework for you to do it. Okay, next class I will do some difficult problem. Okay, that's it for today.